We at Buc-Ee'S. They got brisket at Buc-Ee'S. Y'all got these sandwiches on roll, man. They keep going. I ain't even from here. I seen it on TikTok. Trying to sample at Buc-Ee'S. Woo! Good gracious. Can I go? Hello, hello. I'm taking a picture with Buc-Ee'S. Thank you. I got a sticker, y'all. Checking out at Buc-Ee'S.
Content with this little sandwich.
I am ready to eat my sandwich from Buc-Ee'S. It's hot and ready from Buc-Ee'S.
Ooh, you should have gave him the first bite. Brisket pull. Kayla, you're gonna be.
Stop talking to me.
You had everything this trip.
I heard. 10 out of 10.
It's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Don't need no cheese, no nothing.
It's good, man.
Buc-Ee'S.
It's Buc-Ee'S, guys.
Yeah.
That line was long. Yeah.
She waiting in her mind? I think so.